Papa. 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 I don't like all these things where they do.
What's your problem?
Okay.
Which one say person come back from school since morning now? I don't define you.
Who please?
Food no dey pot.
We must learn a lesson.
You can't sit down here they read. Papa they hungry.
The result and they look so. Mumu.
Your eye go clear, don't worry. You go cry.
You don't sabi anything, but you want to
No.
shut up,
Jesus.
Olodo. See your results. Both last year, this year, na the same thing. Olodo.
Sorry, oh.
Papa which one be shut up? No be only me get that score. Even people wey no good for inside our class. Nobody get first. In fact, they buy our results. The people wey get good score, they buy am from them.
They buy your result. So now only you sabi book for that place.
Papa, na the hungry o. Which one?
From now till tomorrow, no food for you. You're a very stupid boy.
Papa na abeg na. I dey hungry
I
na.
come for here go dey read. You know dey hear what idiot. Oswald.
Continue.
Go give your neighbor this thing take fry akara.
Okiritu.